Old men forget. Yet all shall be forgot, but he'll remember with advantages what feats he did that day. Then shall our names, familiar in their mouths as household words, Harry the King, Bedford and Exeter, Warwick and Talbot, Salisbury and Gloucester, be in their flowing cups freshly remembered. This story shall the good man teach his son, and Crispian shall ne'er go by from this day to the ending of the world. But we in it shall be remembered. We few, we happy few, we band of brothers. For he today that sheds his blood with me shall be my brother. Be he ne'er so vile, this day shall gentle his condition. And gentlemen in England now abed shall think themselves accursed they were not here, and hold their manhoods cheap, whiles any speaks that fought with us upon St. Crispin's Day!
Hey, patrol members. We're heading out on a camping trip. I'm taking you along this time. Hopefully I can do a little bit better than my previous camping trips. I'm not going to move the camera around, so I'm going to try to keep that rustling noise as low as possible. And that's pretty much it. We're going to have a good time out here in the beautiful desert. Beautiful. We're going to places that are more remote. Later. We have stopped in Victorville to get gas off Roy Rogers Drive. And it's actually very pleasant outside. I don't think it's going to be 72 degrees here today. And yeah, and Costco was incredibly crowded. We're getting Costco gas. You know, it used to be in the middle of the day, people had jobs and you could go shopping in the middle of the day and there'd be nobody there because they're working. But apparently nobody's working. How much is gas here?
Oh, $4.15.
$4.15 for gas at the Costco in Victorville. Okay. Later. So we're eating at Barstow Burger. It's probably the best burger in Barstow. That remains to be seen. And but it's average price. It's not like $1 million. Not like $500,000. Crossing the Ramada Inn down by the Barstow Cinema, which says it's open, but I think it's lying. Second real Coke I've had this week. I'm supposed to watch it according to my doctor. More later. Well, we just left Barstow Burger. It was a good burger. It was very good. Very good burger. Best burgers we've had in California so far is the MV Barbecue and Burger in Palmdale. That was great. But this is a good burger right here. Good burger. Now we're off to our camping zone. Don't spill my drink. I'm going to get rid of my coffee. Later. Oh, here we are. Nice and nice weather right now. I'm sure once the sun goes down, it's going to drop off. All right, that's probably better. It's going to get a little chilly here, but that's all right. In Barstow, it's supposed to be 33 tonight. There's another 9mm right here. Anyway, we're going to set up camp and I'll get back to you. Later, Mater. Okay, we are set up. Here we are. I know it's really crappy, but every time I move this thing, it makes a noise. I'm trying to avoid that noise. So we're all set up. We're going to do a little target shooting. I will film in earnest tomorrow. This is just our first night in camp. We'll have a little campfire, have a little dinner, have a little whiskey. I might show you that later. Anyway, thanks for watching. Later, Mater. Well, here we are at our first day in camp. It's a really nice day. It's going to be a little warm today, but that's okay. Last night wasn't as cold as we figured. Pardon me, we just finished our breakfast burritos. And we're going to get started here in a little bit. We'll show you what's going on. Here's our view. So, I didn't record anything today because I just remembered that YouTube's new rules are they're very firearms unfriendly, so rather than cause a big stink and a hullabaloo and a brouhaha and a rhubarb and a pickle and various other things like that, I'm just going to leave it up. And anyway, we're by the fire. We're going to have dinner in a little bit. I don't know how well you're going to see this, but the sun is going down. Sun's going down, big guy. Just relax, calm down. Yeah, I know. Bad analogy. Anyhow, that's pretty much it. Leaning over here by the fire. So, more later. Take two. Okay, folks, it's Saturday morning, December 4th. We're packing up our stuff. Not completely, because we're still going to use the energy projection devices for a little bit more today.
Fly the drone.
We're going to fly our drones, so you're going to see some drone footage of this area. And aside from that, had a great breakfast. Had ham and egg and cheese sandwiches on a bagel. They used to call them breakfast McBagels at McDonald's here in California, and you can still get them in Georgia, I know, because the last time I was there they had them, so my daughter says they still have them there. Anyway, Chris packing up some of his stuff, I'm packing up some of my stuff. I'm trying not to handle the cameras to keep that noise down, so we'll see if this works. Anyway, more later, probably on the way home. After the drone footage. Drone footage. Well, we're jamming. Heading out. Whoop, whoop. We had a good time, flew our drones. You're going to see that footage. We got a whole bunch of footage. And it's about the time of the week that other people start showing up to shoot, so this is about the time of the week we go home. So we don't have to worry about anybody else, and they don't have to worry about us. And I can't wait to hop in the old shower. Here we go. Just across the road from this place is a campground called Sawtooth Canyon, which is a pretty nice improved campground. There's barbecues and benches and pit toilets and all the amenities. What?
They do climbing there too.
Yeah, they do a lot of rock climbing over there. The rock climber's called New Jack City. So
it's right there.
Yeah, right over there. Anyway, going up on the highway. We'll get back to you later, Mater. Well, we're heading home. We stopped at Outlet Center Drive. Had some Barstow tacos at Del Taco. They're pretty yummy. Had some sodas. Were the fries good?
Yeah.
Fries were good. So that's about it. I'm gonna go home, transfer stuff to my car, go back to my house. I'm gonna take a hot shower. Got a brand new bar of pine tar soap with my name on it. That'll get this crusties off. The musty crusties. So, thanks for coming with me. Sorry it couldn't be a little bit more enlightening and elucidating and scintillating and entertaining and all those adjectives. But that was the nature of the beast. I didn't think that YouTube would appreciate me showing you how to work a firearm, so. Anyhow.
So it's kick-off 45-minute.
Yeah, I don't think I don't monetize it. You know what? Next time we go, I'll do it. I'll bring antique firearms so you can see how they work. How's that? I'll bring some antique camping equipment. You see how that works. Anyway, ciao for now.